How to build a future-proof data strategy. 3 steps for smarter business in 2025. What if your data could predict your next best-selling product, spot customer churn before it happens, and cut your costs by 20% automatically? That's not a fantasy. That's what businesses with a structured data strategy are already doing. And in this video, we'll walk you through the 3 steps you need to do the same, whether you're a small business or scaling fast. This isn't about adding more tools. It's about using what you already have with precision. Step 1. Conduct a strategic data audit. Start by identifying what data you already collect: sales, customer feedback, inventory, web traffic. Then ask, is it being used? If not, why? Strip out low-value or duplicate data. Focus on the data that directly supports your business goals, like customer retention, operational efficiency, or sales growth. Example, if your goal is better customer experience, prioritize behavioral data, support tickets, and feedback loops. That's where your insights are hiding. Step 2. Align data with business objectives. You don't need more data, you need better questions. Define KPIs that match your goals. Want more sales? Track conversion rates and campaign ROI. Want efficiency? Monitor production metrics and lead times. Then build a dashboard or system using tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Google Cloud AI that brings those metrics to life in real time. A digital marketing agency using AI-powered dashboards can reallocate ad spend in minutes based on conversion trends, while competitors wait for end-of-week reports. Step 3. Automate insights with AI tools. Now that your data is clean and goal-aligned, let AI do the heavy lifting. Use AI tools to automate analysis, spot trends, and even suggest actions. Platforms like Snowflake or Google Looker can process thousands of variables in seconds. No spreadsheets needed. Logistics firms are cutting fuel costs by 15% just by using AI to optimize delivery routes. Retailers are boosting sales with AI-driven demand forecasting. These are not futuristic ideas, they're happening now. Bonus tip: make your data strategy scalable. Don't try to solve everything at once. Start with one function, marketing, sales, operations, and expand from there. Implement regular audits, train teams on data literacy, and adapt your tech stack as your needs grow. The key is progress, not perfection. 2025 belongs to businesses that treat data as a strategic asset, not a byproduct. If you're ready to reduce risk, make smarter decisions, and outperform your competitors, your next step is clear. Build your data strategy. Don't let your data go to waste. Use it to lead.